Brain gain, what does it mean? Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, brain gain. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in a sentence. So let's get started. Brain gain is a two-word phrase. Let's break it down. Brain. This refers to intelligence, knowledge, or skilled professionals. Gain. This means an increase or advantage. When combined, brain gain refers to an increase in educated or skilled individuals in a particular place, often due to immigration. To understand brain gain better, it's useful to know its opposite, brain drain. Brain drain describes the emigration of educated or skilled workers from a place, typically to seek better opportunities elsewhere. So, if brain drain is about losing talent, brain gain is about attracting or gaining it. Now that we know the meaning, let's see how to use it. 1. The country's new immigration policies have led to a brain gain, attracting skilled professionals from around the world. 2. Due to its world-class universities and job opportunities, the city experienced a significant brain gain over the past decade. And that's a wrap on brain gain. It's all about the positive influx of knowledge, talent, or expertise to a specific area or country. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and expanding your vocabulary, and we'll see you in the next one.